Hello guys, welcome to the Cape Town Science Center YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered why cold water is important for treating burns? Well, if you have, then this video is for you. My name is Joy and today I am your trained scientist. So today we're going to perform a flaming hand experiment. So for this experiment, I will be needing some candles, a matchstick, a bowl with water, soap, and some air freshener. So before we start with this experiment, you know that safety is the priority. That's why I am wearing my lab coat and my goggles. So we're going to start with lighting up our candle so that we can get it ready when we need it. Put it as far away from what we are doing. So now we're going to use our dishwashing soap to make some bubbles. That's enough. If you are looking at the labeling of the air freshener, you will notice that there is a flammable symbol, meaning that air freshener must be put away from a hot flame because it might cause fire or even explosions. So now I am going to use this air freshener to make some more bubbles and also as a fuel for my fire. I think that's enough. So now I am going to dip my hand into the water. Dip my hand into the water and grab some bubbles. So now I'm going to stand at a safe position and then look what happens to my hand. Wow! Did you guys see that? It was great, right? Looking closely, you would notice that my hand didn't bend. Well, it's simple. Water has a high capacity, meaning that it has the ability to absorb heat. So when I dipped my hand into the water, my hand was coated with a layer of water which absorbed the heat. That's why my hand didn't bend. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Remember, always question, always wonder.